Now, the cat's out of the bag. Amazon is officially coming to South Africa, and they'll be launching sometime in 2023 or 2024, somewhere within that timeline. Now, Amazon, as a big e-commerce player coming to SA, means there are a lot of opportunities in the e-commerce space. And if Amazon is coming, a whole lot of other companies have the potential to come, like Alibaba, AliExpress. And so these opportunities in the e-commerce space, I think, are sufficient for anyone who's an early mover to take advantage of these opportunities and to use them to enrich ourselves. And so the first market that has untapped potential, and part of the reason that I'm not willing to move to any part of the world at this very moment is e-commerce and the potential that exists in that space.